How's it going, guys? It's been a very long time since I've last uploaded a video. Today is December 7th, and it is about I will be installing these HID bulbs. These bulbs are from Morimoto, is the name of the company. They are XB Series D HIDs, and if I remember correctly, these are about 55K. So hopefully they gives me like a really warm white light, but we'll see. But I started on the passenger side mainly because I'm missing the fender lighter here, so it's going to be really easy to get to. But basically all we're aiming for is this bulb, or this is the bulb right here. This is a little socket cover for it. Sorry again about the audio. I live right on the street on a very busy road, so just twist this little cap off. There we go. Twist that little cap off. And then this little piece right here just screws over. Just turn it to the left, whichever side you can turn it, and it pops off. Now there's a little retainer clip in there that you gotta pop off, and that should allow the bulb to come out. Retainer clip. It's got two little tabs towards the bottom. You just push together and pull out. It's got little slots or notches that it goes in. Pull it out, and that bulb falls right out. So here is the new Morimoto bulb, and here is the old bulb. Basically look the same. This one's a little thinner, but I don't know. Hopefully they both work out the same. I'm going to take this out. Try not to touch the bulb itself. Raise this little retainer clip out. Looks like there's a little notch that they're supposed to slide into, but I haven't found it yet. Try to adjust this so you guys can see it a little better. Oh. There we go. So I think there's a notch that it's supposed to slip into, and then once you get that notch in there, you can put the retainer clips back in, and then pop this. I believe this is called the ballast. It's a part of the ballast. So now I'm going to push that back on there. Slide it on there, and then finally close this cap. Try to do this. Going to turn on the light and see if it works. Hopefully. So we haven't got power to the bulb yet, so I'm gonna come back out of there and see what I messed up. Alright, so the bulb does work. I did confirm that by just taking the bulb out and just seeing if it functions. I think the issue that I'm having is, for some odd reason, can't get. Oh, there we go. There you go. You saw that live action. I guess I just didn't have the ballast part pressed in enough. So hopefully it should work out. We'll see. There we go. So we have one fully functional headlight. That's good. Now I can put the wheel back on and move on to the other side. So working on the driver's side now, and the only thing that's going to be different on this side is having to take off the fender liner. So the only thing you need to do that is a flathead screwdriver. I have this little handy dandy flathead screwdriver that works really well for popping off these little retainer clips right here. There's only a few of them that you'll need to take off, these little retainer clips. Then underneath the bumper area, like down there, there are some 10mm bolts that have to come off. And then, last but not least, there are a few screws that need to come out. Let's see, there's one right there, if I can show it. There we go. Screws. And then this fender liner should come out, and then I'll have access to the bulb. So, there are only a few of them, maybe, I think there are maybe 3 or 4 screws that need to come out, maybe 4 or 5 10mm bolts, and maybe 5 of the push pins that need to come out, depending on how many survive the years with your car. So I'm gonna get to work on that. I won't bore you with the details, but essentially everything else is the same. Just have to take off this fender liner. There we go. So just like before, I'm gonna take off this little cap, pop this off, pop this back. There's the old bone. Alright, so both headlights have been installed correctly, everything's been wrapped up. At this point I just wanted to check and make sure both headlights were working and give you guys a bit of a visual idea of what they look like. Starting out, before they warm up, they're a little bit of a bluish color, then they kind of warm up to like a white, yellowish almost, which is what I was looking for. I wanted a little bit more of a whiter color, but this will do for now. The light output is great. This is the high beam right here. Give me a second. Click on. There we go. So that's a high beam right there. The light output is a lot better than it used to be. I can actually see at night, so that's a good thing. I still think I need to work on polishing the headlights because they're a little foggy. Can't really see how foggy they are right here, but in real life you can see a little bit of a haze on them. So that's it for the headlights. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be getting back to playing some Gran Turismo Sport. There's been a new update on it, so I want to buy this Fugazi. I don't know how I'm pronouncing that right. I actually have the Hot Wheel of it, but I want to see what it's all about. Hopefully this video helps somebody that didn't know how to install the headlights on their Infiniti G35. Now you know how to. It's not very hard to do at all. Well, I'll see you guys later. Where is this new Z at? Maybe it's not underneath something. Maybe it's under, like, Gran Turismo, maybe? Yeah, Gran Turismo. Let's see what it looks like. Fugazi. Ready. Oh yeah, I wonder if this is the same Z they built. The guy, I don't remember his name. His name's Han from Fast and Furious. His character. Him and Grady built the Z together. I wonder if this is Gran Turismo's version of it. If it is, it's actually pretty cool. I'm gonna try it out. If you all play Gran Turismo, tell me what you like to play with, or play with what car you like to drive with, and what track you like best. Well, that's all I got for you guys. See you later.